Okay, I want to change just a little bit here and talk about STEM. While some strides, is that the one I was asking for? No. Sorry. Numerous studies show the benefits gained from organizations building equity and inclusion in their workforce, including across gender identification, race, and ethnicity. This lack of inclusivity and equity have been an issue in STEM fields. What have you done, or what do you plan to do to address the issue of inclusion in STEM?
Some actions were taken on this at the state level, but I was most excited by WSU's participation in a variety of initiatives and programs that reach out and recruit young women and people of color into STEM fields. And I'm forgetting all the acronyms of some of the specific programs that we sponsored on campus. But one in particular that was great was specifically designed for Native students and brought them to campus each summer and for a camp that was essentially a science camp. And students came mostly from Washington State, but not exclusively from Washington State, and had hands-on experience during the week. I think they stayed on the Gonzaga side of the river, and they went to the labs on the WSU side of the river and had nurses and pharmacists and docs work with them on everything from the chemicals involved in making cosmetics to drawing blood samples and other types of real-world experience. And from that program, we have seen a student go from a student to a counselor in the program, all the way through to a PhD in nursing. And so that kind of program really works. I also know that the new medical school is dedicated to that, and I know that the UW Medical School has a track that's also dedicated to bringing non-traditional students into health fields. And it needs to start as early as possible. Here in Spokane, not too far away from here, I'm sure LC has programs, but our North Central High School also has been renowned for the type of work it's done to bring students into science research at a very advanced level. And there's really no substitute for getting those investments. Generally, at the federal level, you can create opportunities for grants and partnerships that states and local school districts can pick up on, because you don't want a one-size-fits-all coming down from the federal level. You want essentially a program that allows for lots of different models and opportunities, because different ones will be successful with different targeted groups of students.